I declared for the random and I took the value from the
Okay.
user.
Okay.
And first I generated a class for generating two-digit random number till
Mhm.
100
Okay.
here,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
I take an input from the user here from here as an
Mm.
integer m. And
Mm-hmm.
when I'm giving the condition, if m
हाँ
is equal to x as per the
हम्म,
condition of कि
हाँ हाँ
order के exact order के साथ equal
हाँ
होना चाहिए मेरे random number के,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
ये
yes
जब मैं value satisfy करवाने को try करता हूँ
and
तो
understood.
error शो
Yes,
हो
yes.
रहा है मेरे को.
Anji, because see the integer x you have declared inside the loop. It's a local variable. You have to make it a global variable. No?
मैम ये जो वैल्यू मैंने डिक्लेयर करी है मुझे इसे
हाँ
ग्लोबली.
हाँ नहीं int x you declare global, then you can use x here anywhere you want. No, declare x before the for loop somewhere.
ओके ओके ओके.
Because you haven't declared initially, no? You can declare integer x is equals to 0. You can declare that. Yes, Panjwani is also saying that only. Then you can remove int keyword in front of it and then you are done. Then,
ओके ओके.
yeah.
थैंक यू.
Yes, yes, no problem. Okay, so we shall begin working on the first page of the website today. Okay. Anybody who is having question, any problem you are facing in deciding the flow of the website, I can ready to help you out. Otherwise, you can start working on the first page, the
ओके
landing page of the website. Yes.
ओके मैम. ओके.
फर्स्ट पेज मतलब होम पेज या लॉगिन पेज कौन सा पेज?
Any page you want, you can create. Panjwani, I am not asking you to only create the first page. You can even create the login page if you want. I am okay with that.
ओके मैम.
Yes, yes. Let us start working on, at least one page of the website. Whatever page you are comfortable with, you can. No electricity, laptop is dead. Oh, Limbani, what you will do the whole day then? No problem.
मैम आज सैटरडे है ना मैम, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मेंटेनेंस पे गई हुई है.
Okay, okay. Then you are joining via phone currently?
यस मैम.
Okay, no problem. Panjwani is knowing about every area in Gujarat. Yes, you all can. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay, 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 fine. Yes, you all can start working on the first page. There is a Google. If you are aware, Google hosts this code jam every year. Anybody is aware of that?
Yes ma'am.
Then it is coming. You register for that, no? Then you okay. I'll share the email in the link.
Share the link ma'am, but they were going for team, no? They require a team.
Yes, yes. So you can work with your friends. And it is not like that. Huh? I see in Google Code Jam, it is you can even do it alone because I am participating since so many 3-4 years. I am doing that. So Code Jam will work individually
Code
also.
jam is also there, ma'am. Hash code is also there, and right now is AMCP something like that is a world level competition going on.
Yes.
Code Olympics that we call. Uska another name Code Olympics करके.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you its name. Just a minute.
Yes. Yes, yes. You can register for that. Students who are interested in coding, they can register for that. I'm going to share the link in the email itself. Whoever is interested, they can join.
ACM ICPC.
ICPC, yes, yes, yes. That is ACM's. That is Association of Computing Machineries.
I think no one else has participated from our college earlier. If we are participating, we will directly go to regionals.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will be competing with good people over there. It's a good platform to join.
Ma'am, share the link for Code Jam.
Yes, yes. I'm emailing you. I'm emailing everybody.
तुम क्लासरूम में डाल दो ना.
I am actually putting this, in your email itself. Everybody will be able to. Wait. So what we need to do today is Srinarayan, you are here. Okay, Dhruvi is there. Okay, Vijay Raj is there. We are going to start the first page of your website. Okay, you can start designing the first page, the landing page, or you can even start designing any of the pages that you want. But at least we are going to start the designing of the website from today. Okay, if you're clear with the flow, you can start working on it. I have sent an email. You can. Oh, somebody is writing something. Wait. You have done. Okay, what you have done? You have done the website? Oh, you can share your screen with me. I want to see. You can share your screen. Let me see. That is fine. That is fine. But you can share your screen. I'll check it once. Okay. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, it's opening. Okay. Which editor is that? Yeah, that is VS Code. Okay. Hmm. It's taking time to open. That is fine. That is okay, no problem. Let it load. No issues. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. You need to keep your information in about us. That is one thing. Another thing is when somebody is clicking on international tourism, what is happening? Is it opening a new page or something? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, I know. Oh, you already hosted it. Oh, okay, okay, okay. On a free. Okay, okay. Is it a free provider? Oh, good. Then it is good. Okay. So when somebody is clicking on these links, are these links working? Okay, yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is responsive only, so it can be seen, on cross platform. You need to edit your about us. You need to edit, and if somebody is contacting you, then do this thing. If in lecture only try this. If somebody is contacting you, you can even search on Google. Then is that email coming to you for your information? Is that email coming to you? Not now, right? You have to add, yes, 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 that you add, okay. Search it on Google using JavaScript, yes, yes, yes. If somebody is contacting you, then the email should be there in your email box. That's all. Okay, just do this much today, okay? Otherwise, it's good. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Yes, you can stop sharing, no problem. Yes, anybody else facing any issue in designing the front page or any of the pages, you can talk to me. Okay, in the About Us page, the information is actually their dummy text. So keep your photograph somewhere, keep your information somewhere, okay? To win the client's trust, we always keep a decent photograph on the website so that, they can see and, they can, get in touch with us. Yes, yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Panjwani. Panjwani. Yeah.
One minute.
Yeah.
I'm framing a sentence. Wait.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
if we are not putting any email address, then also it is accepting the value
Where?
in login page. Presenting my screen.
Okay. Did you validate that text field?
So, label type में email डाला है.
Okay. Okay. Then if you click on sign in, what is happening? Without that, it is also accepting, no?
Yes, ma'am. It's going.
Yes, I got it. Yes. See, the reason is that you need to validate it using JavaScript in the backend beta. Simple, this will not allow. This is not going to validate the email. This will allow you to enter the email for sure, but it will not allow you to validate the email. Same with the password. You need to validate the password also. That will go with the JavaScript code. Okay, not like this. So in email also you need to validate like whether it is allowing you to add, characters like minus or not. That you need to validate it on your own. Okay, you cannot allow like this. It will not be, visible like this. It is just allowing you to enter the email. That's all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
JavaScript
So
आती नहीं.
validate. JavaScript नहीं आती है क्यों? In workshop you were not there.
वो लास्ट के 2 दिन बहुत ही फास्ट हुआ तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. पहले के भी शाम को YouTube के वीडियोस देख के सीखे थे. वही वीडियोस उसके
हाँ.
रिपीट. तो जावास्क्रिप्ट
अच्छा.
वाले का टाइम नहीं मिला मैम.
अच्छा, you know that script starts with script tag, right? That you
नो
know, JavaScript starts with the script tag. Huh?
नो मैम.
Oh, Panjwani, you don't know JavaScript, then how can I explain it to you? Okay, so what you need to do, same thing you do, Panjwani. Okay, I'll just guide you. I'll just give you a formal introduction how to do it. But again, you need to search for the videos and you need to
Yes.
search for a proper video to explain it. See, JavaScript will always start with the script tag beta. That is one thing. In here, you start your CSS with style tag, right? If you are
Yes.
going with inline CSS, in document CSS, you will start with the style tag. Same way, JS will start with the script tag. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing is you create a function. Just like you can create function in PHP, same in Java. You can create your own function to validate the field. And when user is clicking on the sign in button, before it extracts the data that user have entered in the text fields, in both the fields, and then it processes the validation, and then along with the sign in button, you call the function validate on the click of the sign in button, and then that validate will automatically extract the field and will check whether it is empty or not. That process will happen in the backend with that code. Okay, so you
Yes.
search it in YouTube how to do that. I'm giving you a formal introduction how to do it. Like this, it will happen. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
are you getting? Yes, you try. You search for different codes online. If you're not explain, if you're not understanding a code, you tell me. I'm happy to help. But I cannot explain you the complete JS right here. Getting
Yes.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
JS is a very big field. Yes. You search for the particular video. You view it. If you have any questions in that, you talk to me. I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, anybody facing any challenges in writing the code, in knowing what code is for what functionality, you can unmute yourself and talk to me always, okay? Yes, anybody facing any issues, you can unmute yourself and talk to me. Your students who are facing any issues or queries, they can stay. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I've already marked you present. If you're facing any challenges in the design of the first page, you can stay in the class. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I've already marked your presence.
Ma'am, how to increase the spacing between two different tabs?
Two different.
मैम लाइक होम टैब एंड कैटेगरीज टैब एंड अबाउट अस टैग, तो मुझे उनके बीच की स्पेसिंग इंक्रीज करनी है.
Okay. So you are using list, right?
व्हाट मैम?
You are using list.
Sorry, I'm not getting your voice.
Okay. You are using list in that, right?
I'm actually, ma'am, directly I had used LI class. Yes, that is a list class, I guess.
Yes. You have used list in that. Okay, understand. So that is nothing but a division, and inside that you have created a different list, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes. In that you can set the width of a particular list item. Width.
Okay, so as I increase the width, as per I have to put style is equal to width, like that.
Yes. You keep a style. You in style whatever. Suppose you are using. You must have added the anchor tag inside it, right?
Yes, ma'am, I had.
Yes. So in the anchor tag CSS, you can add width. So if you are, see, Pranjul, your complete division that is spreading across the page, that is a one division, right? Inside
Yes,
which
ma'am.
you are creating small links. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anchor tag. Keep the width of the division as 100%. First step, okay. In your division style as CSS, keep your width attribute as 100%. Then if there are four navigation links, if there are four different list items or four different anchor tags, in that navigation bar or division, you have to add a tag like division and then anchor tag, right? Nested attribute you will give in CSS for nesting. In that anchor tag, use division, that anchor tag's width has 25%. If there are four links, such links, right? Getting it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So first, in that division itself, you create the width as, mention the width as 100%. Okay. Let me, just give me 1 minute. I'll share. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see your screen.
Yes. So in this division that you have created, this division, right, where you have
Yes.
put different links. Okay. Then this division tag in your CSS, in this division tag, set your width as 100%.
Okay.
Then for this anchor tags, for these anchor tags, in your this CSS only, you mention that divisions A, then you give its attribute as, here you can specify width as 25%.
Okay.
Understood? That way you can cover up the whole navigation bar. Yes, anybody facing any other challenges, you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave the session, no problem. You go eat something and then come back for the next session.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. No problem, Shri.
हेलो मैम।
Yes,
मैम
Pankaj, yes. You were saying something.
मैम लॉगिन अगर पेज पे रीडायरेक्ट ना करना और डायरेक्ट जो होम पेज पे ही लॉगिन का प्रॉम्प्ट आए तो?
हाँ, उस पे सेल्फ देखो, मैं आपको समझा कैसे सकती हूँ. यू डू यू नो PHP प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? डू यू नो दैट?
नो मैम।
Okay, so for creating this kind of websites where you want the action to be, see, whenever you are login, Panjwani, one thing, whenever you are logging, when you're creating the login form, you will be validating this username and password from the database. Am I correct?
यस मैम।
Yes. So if the user is registered already, then you will be asking that, okay, your username and password is correct and you are logging. So you will need a database for that. That's where SQL comes in picture. And
यस
when SQL comes in picture, whatever form, your form that you're creating in HTML, that fields are retrieved using PHP. PHP fires up the query in SQL to your database. Getting, so that your data gets stored in database, on so that your data get retrieved in database, and it checks for the validity of your email address and the password that you have entered. So without PHP, login form cannot be done. That is one thing. Or without Java, whatever backend language you want to use, SQL is common for both of them, HTML is common for both of them, but some language is required for fetching the details out of your form and querying the database accordingly, whether it is insert or whether it is retrieve or whether it is checking anything. Understood? So for
यस
that, you will use PHP for sure. Now, whether you want to learn PHP or you want to learn JSP is for Java, PHP is for simple, very easy language, it is PHP. Okay, whatever language you want to use, if you have to learn that language first in order to query the database. Are you getting it?
यस मैम। मैम
Yes.
तो ये सब्जेक्ट की एग्जाम होगी?
एग्जाम नहीं होगी ना, टर्म वर्क ही होगा मंजूनी.
ओके मैम। वो टर्म वर्क और वाइवा ये सब?
हाँ, ये होगा. देखो पंचवानी, आप सबसे पहले मैं फ्लो क्लियर करती हूँ आपका. डिजाइन आपने सपोज की है लॉगिन फॉर्म की, CSS वगैरह साइड में जाने दो. आपने फॉर्म फील्ड बनाया, ठीक है, आपने फील्ड्स बना दिए. उसके बाद आप उसको वैलिडेट करो. वैलिडेट यूजिंग JS यू कैन डू, whether they are entering correct details or not. Okay, that is the first step. Validation of the details. Once they are correct, then you query the database. Then you learn PHP for querying the database. Are you getting?
मैम तो फिर मेरी गलती थी, मुझे पहले साइन अप पेज बनाना चाहिए था।
हाँ, पहले साइन अप देना चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद लॉगिन आएगा.
मैंने लॉगिन
और
बनाया।
हाँ, उसमें कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ टेक्स्ट फील्ड ऐड करने हैं. Manjwa needs rarely a task of 2-3 minutes. Creating HTML is nothing, but the main part is how you are validating it and how you are doing this with PHP. How you are querying the database with PHP. Okay, और PHP भी कुछ भी नहीं है. Just with question mark text, you can. It's very easy. Manjwa, if you see now, don't look into for loop and all for PHP whenever you are searching. When you are learning PHP, no, don't look for loop and all. Just look at the syntax of how you are creating PHP. How can you create PHP pages? That's all. Then you'll be easy. You'll be easy to put a logic for querying the database. Okay.
यस मैम।
पहले JS में वैलिडेशन सीख लो, उसके बाद PHP पे आके डेटाबेस पे क्वेरी कैसे करना ये सीखो. समझ में आ गया? And anywhere I am here for you. Okay, you search online for any simplest question. I am here for you. Okay.
ओके मैम। मैं पूरी एक 9 मिनट्स की वीडियो फॉलो की, उसमें उसने JS तो यूज ही नहीं किया, CSS यूज किया।
CSS से वैलिडेशन कर दिया उसने.
नहीं, सिर्फ स्टाइल लॉगिन फॉर्म को मैं वापस से अब शाम को ढूंढूंगा अब।
हाँ, no problem.
थैंक यू मैम।
Yes, no problem. Yes, you can leave the session. No problem. The session is.
ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, मेरी छोटी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. ये क्या है ये लोग बना रहे हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
क्या?
मेरा जस्ट सी माय पेज. अभी मैं बस बेसिक लेआउट पे वर्क कर रहा हूँ, बट आई एम फेसिंग एन इशू. जैसा आपने बताया मैंने वैसा करा ना, बट मेरा जो बैकग्राउंड था, टैब बैकग्राउंड, वही हट गया.
Okay.
लेट मी शो यू. मैम हियर इट इज द बैकग्राउंड. मैं ये होवर करने पे रखा था मैंने, और ये पूरा बैकग्राउंड ये कलर पे सेट था, बट अभी ये कलर ही पूरा हट गया.
ओके, आपने पहले क्या रखा था? पहले उसमें CSS में क्या डाला था? पहले CSS में डाला होगा ना ये सब कुछ.
ओके, लेट मी टेल यू. अर्लियर मैम ये था यहाँ पे, ये ऐसा था।
हम्म।
अभी मैंने आपके हिसाब से जैसा आपने बोला कि आप पहले तुमने जो क्लास बनाई मेन्यू बार, वहां पे तुम अपनी विड्थ को 100% रखो,
हाँ
और यहाँ पे जो एंकर टैग है मेरा, यानी UILI लिस्ट के बाद एंकर टैग, मैं वहां पे अपनी विड्थ को 25% रखूँ।
UI के अंदर आपका LI है, LI के अंदर आपका A है, ओके।
हाँ, तो ये मैंने करा 25 पिक्सल। अब मैं इसको
25% बेटा, नॉट पिक्सल, बोथ 100%। हाँ, परसेंटेज साइन, यस यस। 25 पिक्सल तो मतलब कुछ भी नहीं। हाँ यस, एंड सेम 100%।
ऊपर भी 100% आएगा।
हाँ 100% कर रहा था मैंने एक बार, तो कुछ चेंजेस नहीं दिखे मुझे। लेट मी रिफ्रेश इट।
हाँ, क्योंकि और सारे CSS मतलब आपके बहुत सारे एट्रीब्यूट रहे होंगे ना इसमें।
ये देखिए कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं हो रहा।
ओके
परसेंटेज पे कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा।
ओके।
I want this home to be here, this category to be here, videos to be here, about us to be here, and here I want to give a login button. And यहाँ पे वो मुझे 3 ट्रिपल साइंस का वो चाहिए, जहाँ पे which will contain this side, ये एक row जिसमें which will contain all the list of games exactly like this.
टेक्स्ट अलाइन लेफ्ट कर दो।
हाँ, अलाइन है, शायद सेंटर है आपका।
टेक्स्ट अलाइन क्या करना? सेंटर पे है।
सेंटर है ना? हाँ,
लेफ्ट सेंटर पे रखा है तो सेंटर पे ही आएगा ना। देखो होम लेफ्ट में चाहिए।
अरे तो चल, अच्छा ठीक है, तेरी बात सुन ली, चल मैंने लेफ्ट कर दिया। अभी स्पेसिंग कहाँ बढ़ रही है भाई?
ओके 25% रखा है ना आपने, एक मिनट उसको
और एकदम से लेफ्ट नहीं रखना। अगर मैं सब कुछ लेफ्ट पे कर दूंगा तो फिर मुझे यहाँ ट्रिपल वो जो लाइंस की सिंबल चाहिए वो कहाँ से आएगी? दैट आल्सो आई हैव टू एडजस्ट नाउ।
नहीं, वो तो जितने भी आप इसमें आइटम्स ऐड करो ना प्रांजल, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, if you have kept 50% then only 2 will be shown, if you kept 25% then 4 will be shown, like that. You can, percentage means the total size of your page, that is response।
तो 3 लाइन वाला चाहिए तो होम से ऊपर वो डिक्लेयर कर देना 3 लाइन वाला, तो वो लेफ्ट मोस्ट आ जाएगा।
एक और डिक्लेयर करो, राइट?
होम से ऊपर
तो वो 3 लाइन वाला आ जाएगा ना। और देखो आपका जो A है, आपका जो कहाँ है एंकर टैग है, हाँ, वो FA करके कोई तो यूज कर रहा है ना,
ये वाला मैम।
हाँ नहीं, यहाँ पे I क्या है? I स्पेस क्लास, व्हाट इज दैट? I फॉर इटालिक मेंशन, नो? वो
मैंने तो ये इंक्लूड करा कि जैसे होम है तो होम का सिंबल हम छोटा सा ऐड करते हैं ना, आइकन क्लास है।
ये आइकन है ना? अच्छा
हाँ, अभी मैंने आइकन सेट नहीं करा।
ओके क्योंकि अगर और एक CSS उसमें डाला है आपने तो वो भी, उसको भी ठीक करना पड़ेगा ना, अगर इफ दैट इज कीप कमिंग इन बिटवीन ऑफ दिस कोड, अदरवाइज। हाँ
ओके, मुझे इसको भी ठीक करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, the reason is that, see, if you are mentioning that your menu bar should be of 100% width, it is going to occupy 100% width for sure. Okay, and if you have mentioned that anchor tag should have 25% width, then whatever anchor tag you are using inside this menu bar, I have used inside menu bar, no, let me see, menu bar, उसके अंदर UL, उसके अंदर LI, okay, ठीक है। हाँ, तो फिर हाँ, then it is correct only, it has to occupy 25% of whatever is the size of it.
ओके, तो मुझे आइकन क्लास सेट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, तो उसके बाद वो दैट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली
रिफ्लेक्टेड। हाँ, ऐसा होगा, है ना?
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
नो प्रॉब्लम, यस।
I will try it once again.
Yes, no problem. Yes, you can. Yes, Pranjul.
तो आप लीव कर दो भले, प्रांजल से काम है मेरे को।
हाँ, ओके।
रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद ही नहीं की मैम ने।
हाँ, बोल।
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है, चल बाद में बोलता हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई नहीं। अरे यार, लेकिन बट अपने को